campaign by Syrian rebel forces in recent weeks and the
led by jihadist fighters Hayat Tahrir
operations and protects
كل هذه المعركة يا أخواني التي أقيمت بفضل الله عز وجل هو إنتاج ثوري بحت فاستعنا.
Turkey, whose troops are in the northwest, has also expressed growing
rapid collapse of government forces culminated in President Bashar. He hoped factions inside Damascus would get control of the situation, that things would...
And it's designated a terrorist group by the United States, Russia and Turkey. Another rebel...
Damascus, while shouting, quote, down with Bashar al-Assad was needed to stop military operations and protect, and agreed on the importance of Syria's territorial integrity and on city of Homs. Since the rebels sweep into Aleppo a week...
We think that things will be rosy and all good news.
18 years of civil war, residents might see a return to normal.
people live, and they are said to have around 30.
And other Western officials said the lightning rebel...
Capital on Sunday as rebel forces declared they had seized control of Aleppo. Syrian Prime Minister Mohammed Ghazi al-Jalali
posing an existential threat to President Bashar al-Assad's 24-year rule.
Fears of a new wave of regional instability.
More troops and more assets into that part of the Golan Heights.
كيف أن عذابات 13 عاما تتعافى من خلال هذا النصر العظيم.
Posing an existential threat to President Bashar al-Assad's 24-year rule.
The group is designated as a terrorist organization.
Two groups linked to the United States, Russia and Turkey.
Normalcy.
إن شاء الله بنشوف عهد جديد.